Normal English, advanced English. Let's start. Let's kick off. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. I'm leaving. I am off. मैं चलता हूँ. I'm going to sleep. I am off to bed. मैं तो चला सोने. Me too. So am I. Maybe I'm interested in it. I am into it. मुझे इसमें दिलचस्पी है. I am listening. I am all ears. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. How are you? How it's going? कैसे हो? I'm very hungry. I am famished. भूख से बुरा हाल है. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. मैं बहुत मसरूफ हूँ. She is very angry. She is pissed off. वो बहुत गुस्सा है. It is not difficult. It is not rocket science. ये मुश्किल नहीं. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wrap. ये राज ही रखना. Don't annoy me. Don't drive me crazy. मुझे चढ़ाओ मत. I am very nervous. I have butterflies. मैं बहुत घबराया हुआ हूँ. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop by tomorrow? क्या मैं कल आ जाऊँ? I feel asleep. I nodded off. मुझे नींद आ गई थी. मैं बहुत पुरजोश हूँ. I'm very excited. I'm pumped up.